We're going to start out today with the steep turn. Steep turn we're going to do at 100 knots, and we'll show you a couple of tricks along the way. Now, we've cleared the area already. We've done a climbing right-hand turn. We're well above all the other traffic here, thanks to our turbocharged Ostro engine. The airplane can handle it very, very well. But yeah, 8,000 feet, 100 knots. Going to start off about 55% on the power. And I'm very much a fan of using a visual reference point, especially with the mountains in Arizona, rather than using a heading bug. So the heading bug is reinforcing my visual reference point. It's a visual maneuver. We're trying to look outside of the airplane. Level at 8,000, 1 knot slow. That's pretty good. I'm going to start my steep turn going to the left first. Very gentle on the roll-in. I'm going to go about 30 degrees a bank while increasing my power 5 to 10%. Once I hit 30 degrees, I'm just going to increase my angle of attack. Here we go. We're clear to the left. Up goes the power from about 58% to 65%. A little bit of left rudder, and as I go through 30 degrees, I'm just pulling the nose up. And notice I'm not being very harsh or anything. The airplane is just rolling on over to 45 degrees, no problem. And if you're a commercial student, you could keep going up to your 50 degrees a bank. And life is good. Now I'm increasing my power as I lose a little bit of airspeed here, but only by a couple of knots. Nice rule of thumb, if you're using your G1000 for a numerical reference, right on 2.5 degrees of pitch, 2.5 to 5 degrees of pitch, airplane's gonna be nice and happy. But I'm looking outside, using the cowling and the horizon as a visual reference point as I get back here to my mountain. Just a smooth transition of rudder and aileron to the right-hand side through 30 degrees once again with no power adjustment. And I'm just increasing the back pressure through 30 degrees, rolling in to 45 yet again, increasing my rudder. About 5 knots slow, need a little bit more rudder, and life is good as I am now well established at 45. And I can go back outside full time. Look at that sight picture. The top left corner of my cowling from my point of view in the pilot seat is slicing across the horizon. I can barely see the horizon. So for you, your sight picture is going to vary a little bit.
Lower, yeah.
But that's okay. Whatever your sight picture is, that's what you set. We come back here to our reference point. I pull the power back out to my starting power setting so I don't accelerate and I don't balloon. I'm about 30 feet low when I end that, 4 knots slow. No big deal. As I recapture 8,000 feet and I lower my angle of attack, that speed's going to come back.